Welcome to this tutorial on accessing and managing remediation service orders in PrEP. To begin, navigate to the Orders section from the left-hand side menu under Remediation Services. This screen displays a table listing all remediation service orders submitted by users within the organization. Each row includes essential details like order ID, file name, upload date, uploaded by, department, instruction, page count, estimated due date, quote, project status, and payment status. You can monitor the progress of each file using the project status column, which shows stages like under review, work in progress, or completed. The payment status indicates whether the file is paid or unpaid. To manage an order, click the three-dot menu under the Action column to download the original file. Download the remediated file. Proceed to pay. Or delete the order. If a file bundle contains multiple attachments, use the expand icon next to the order ID to view each attached file. PrEP provides clear visibility and control over your document remediation requests, all from a single dashboard. That's it. You've now explored how to view and manage remediation service orders effectively in PrEP. Thank you.